What's good YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another video for you guys. For most parts of the world, especially in North America and Europe, we are about to get into the winter time. And as a sneakerhead, we do not like this time of the year because it's quite difficult to wear your nice sneakers outside. This is why some sneaker brands like Jordan Brand have been providing us winterized versions of some of their most popular sneakers over the last couple of years. And now Jordan Brand has given that winterized treatment to their most popular silhouette, the Jordan 1. I will be reviewing the Jordan 1 Gore-Tex Element in the light bone colorway. So what's good fam, all my long-term viewers, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Josh. I do sneaker reviews and all kinds of other sneaker content. I'm dropping at least 3 videos a week and it's just good vibes on the channel, so make sure you guys are subscribed. So in this video, I will attempt to break down the sneaker and talk about all of the different materials on the shoe, what makes it different than a regular Jordan 1. We'll talk about the colorway, the sizing, whether or not these are worth the price. And as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. Now these sneakers right here, they are good for rainy days. The Gore-Tex technology will keep your feet dry. However, that doesn't mean that these sneakers are gonna stay clean. And for that, I definitely suggest using the sponsor of today's video, which is none other than Reshoevn8r. Reshoevn8r is definitely my go-to brand when it comes to sneaker cleaning products. One of my favorite products has to be the signature kit right here because it comes with absolutely everything you need. You get 3 different types of brushes which can be used with a variety of materials. And of course, you get the sneaker cleaning solution, some microfiber towels, everything you can possibly need to get your sneakers clean are all included here. Make sure you guys click the link in the description to check out not only the signature kit, but all of their other products as well. If you guys need some help on how to use these products, I also dropped an entire video talking about how I keep my sneakers clean. I will also leave that link in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. Getting back to the shoes, here it is, the Jordan 1 Gore-Tex Element High in the light bone colorway. These sneakers officially released on December the 16th worldwide, and from what I can tell, it was a pretty limited release because besides the sneakers app, not too many other retailers actually got this pair. The retail price of this sneaker was $200, and in Europe it was 180 euros, and that is about $30 more than the regular retail price. Of course, that is because of the upgraded materials. And speaking of those materials, let's get into these sneakers. These sneakers are made out of a combination of this ripstop material as well as leather panels. And ripstop, of course, which is made out of nylon, is a tear-resistant material. But of course, the main selling feature of this shoe is that it does come with that Gore-Tex technology. And as it says on the label right here, Gore-Tex is guaranteed to keep you dry. So these sneakers are actually waterproof. I poured some water on it just to test it out, and yes, I can confirm, as you can see, it does repel water. The swoosh is also made out of that water resistant material. So yeah, overall, if you are looking for a pair of ones to rock this winter, the tech in these make this a very good option. But besides the obvious tech that comes with the sneaker, there is one bigger reason why I like this shoe, and that is because this is just a really clean colorway. Kind of gives me like a Dior Jordan 1 vibe. You see like these hits of gray. At the back of the sneaker, you got this light bone colorway. Rounding it off, you have a nice black swoosh. I mean, just from a colorway point of view, I would say this is one of the better colorways we've seen this year. And one other thing I have noticed is that the shape of this particular shoe seems to be closer to some of the older pairs, like the 1985 Jordan 1s, for example. Not that I've ever seen one of those pairs in person, but just by looking at the pictures, the shape on this pair seems a lot different than the normal Jordan 1s we see nowadays. Even the swoosh on this pair looks a lot closer to those 1985 pairs. I don't know why exactly they did that on the Jordan 1 Gore-Tex, but it's just one more added detail for why you can appreciate this shoe. You also get a nice surprise on the bottom. Check out that outsole. Half of the outsole done in black, the other half is clear. The tongue of the sneaker also made out of that ripstop material, and the label on the tongue, it's also a bit different. The text is red upside down. There is one thing that does bother me about the shoe, however, it is that Gore-Tex writing on the heel of the shoe. I just don't think we needed that. I get that it is a Gore-Tex shoe. I see it on the label. I see it on the insole. I see it in the name of the sneaker. And I'm sure some of you guys are gonna write in the comments, hey, you don't seem to mind the writing when Off-White does it. Well, I don't know, maybe Off-White just does it better. Like without the writing, like come on, this is such a nice clean colorway. The shape of it also different than other Jordan 1s. And then yeah, that Gore-Tex writing right there, just a bit unnecessary in my opinion. Let me know down in the comments if you agree. If you don't like this colorway, there is another colorway of the Gore-Tex one on the way, which is a much more subdued color. It just seems like it's an all over black with a gray swoosh. Probably won't have to worry too much about those shoes staying clean in the winter, I guess. The sizing on these, even though the shape seems to be a bit different, it does fit me perfectly true to size, which is the same size that I fit in all my other Jordan 1s. If you look at prices on these right now, they're actually not going for all that much above retail. I feel like these sneakers kind of just went under the radar. I know we've had so many releases in the month of December, and these sneakers, even though they seem to be much more limited than most Jordan 1s, the prices aren't going for all that much. But I can definitely see, especially this clean colorway right here, I can see it definitely going up in price as we head into the winter months. So because the prices are so low right now, if you guys really wanted this shoe, I would go ahead and cop them right now. Overall, the Jordan 1 Gore-Tex Element High, are these a cop or a drop? I'm actually gonna go ahead and say this is an absolute cop. I don't live in Canada anymore, but if I did, I would have totally wanted to cop this shoe. Having a Jordan 1 that is winter resistant is a really dope idea. And besides the tech, I think this colorway is just super nice, super clean. And also really like that old school looking swoosh right there. Of course, not the biggest fan of the Gore-Tex writing, but besides that, I think it is a great sneaker. So for me, these are definitely a cop. Let me know, of course, as usual, down in the comments, do you guys like this sneaker? What do you guys think about winterized Jordans in general? The on-feed portion of the video about to drop right now. Thank you guys, as always, for messing with the channel and for supporting my content. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Hit that red button, it really helps me out, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.